Our beloved Boss Mike Cervera.
Dapat sampahan ng ethics complaint si Leyte 4th District Representative Richard Gomez ayon kay House Deputy Speaker Antipolo City 1st District Representative Ronaldo Ronnie Puno. Ito'y dahil sa ginawang paglalantad ni Gomez sa mga pangalan at personal contact numbers ng ilang media practitioners sa kanyang Facebook account. Sa halip kasi, nasagutin ng mga tanong ng mga news reporters mula sa iba't ibang media organization sa pamamagitan ng direct message ay inakusahan ng actor-politician ang mga ito ng pagsasabwatan sa tinawag niyang paid media spin. Ang paniwala ni Gomez ay may mga taong kumukumpas sa mga reporters para idiin siya sa naturang issue. May kaugnayan ang pag-uusisa ng ilang miyembro ng media sa alegasyon ni Matag of Leyte Mayor Bernie Tacoy na isang flood control project sa distrito ni Gomez ay madaling nag-collapse. Yeah, absolutely, I encourage you to bring it here before the Ethics Committee. Ang pahayag ni Puno sa naganap na press con noong August 29 nang matanong kung posibleng maharap sa ethics case si Gomez. Sabi pa ng kongresista, hindi naman pwede yung ganon. I am very disappointed to hear these things. You are asked to explain something, you are a legislator, you explain. Kaya tayo naging legislator dahil ang tingin ng tao marunong tayong magpaliwanag, tapos yung ganyan na personal na napakalinaw na kailangan mong ipaliwanag, hindi nga ginawa. And then you compound the issue by insulting people. Hindi maganda talaga yon. I think the Ethics Committee should be brought into that. Pahayag pa ni Puno. Legislators, congressmen, senators, you know, we are elected into our positions by people that trust us. Express their faith in what we say, express their faith in what we do, what we can do. So our comportment and behavior in public is very important to reinforcing that faith and belief that they have in us. You are expected to be held and behave in a higher standard than other people. Katuwiran pa ni Puno. Dagdag pa niya, and being held to a higher standard doesn't just require na magbarong Tagalog ka, no. I mean, dapat maayos din ang pakikitungo mo sa lahat ng tao sa paligid mo. We want to be good role models. We don't want to be examples of what their children should not become, aniya pa. Matatanda ang pinost ni Gomez sa Facebook ang mga mensaheng pinadala sa kanya ng media practitioners para magpaliwanag sa mga akusasyon sa kanya. Mahal din itong media spin na ginagawa nila against me. Look at the similarities of the different social medias and agencies asking questions. Alam na alam mong merong nagkukumpas. Alam na alam mong ginastosan. Ayos gastos pa more mga ungas, sabi pa ng aktor at politiko. Nauna na naglabas ng pahayag ang National Union of Journalists in the Philippines hinggil dito. We remind Gomez that the media asking for his side on the matter actually favors him. The requests give him a chance to address allegations made by Matag of Mayor Bernie, who has also criticized him for alleged a lack of support during heavy flooding and making them as particular of journalists' jobs. If Gomez preferred not to speak about this issue, is simple no comment or lack of response would have sent the message without imputing malice or imposing our colleagues' private information.
Pwede mo nga ganun. No, I mean, you are asked to explain something. You're a legislator. You explain. Yung ganyan na personal na napakalinaw na kailangan may paliwanag, hindi niya gagawin. That's, and then if you compound the issue by insulting people, no, hindi maganda talaga yun.
Sa ngalan po ni Boss Mike Cervera, ito po si Auntie Mama ng Rizal, also known as Anino TV, na nagsasabing mahalin po natin ang ating kapwa, ipagdasal po natin lagi ang ating bansa. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi, saan man dako ng mundo naroon kayo, at syempre, magandang buhay na rin para sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Our beloved Boss Mike